Hey guys, it's me, Rebecca, and I just filmed a quick video about how to change your Poshmark shipping label settings to the 4x6 label printers. If you are going to use a Dymo or a Rollo or any of the 4x6 shipping labels. And for eBay, I am going to show you now too, but because I want to protect my buyer's information, I can't go through all the steps. But basically, how I have found the easiest way to do it is once someone buys something, you are going to go into the print your shipping label section. So you're going to come up with this screen. If you've never seen this screen before, this is where you're going to get your shipping label here. And you're just going to go right up here to the right where it says printer and label receipt preferences right here. So the Zebra TLP 2844 4x6 is the one that I use. I just select that and then you're going to hit save. And what that's going to do is allow you to print with the printing label. And if you ever want to go back to the different sizes, you are just going to go back into here and you can pick whatever one you want. If you want the regular laser or inkjet printer, you're just going to go back up here. This is the one that I've been using. So, this is the one that I've been using. So if hopefully this helps you just figure out where this is to change it. I'm sure there's a way to change it through your regular settings without having to have sold something. I just have never done it that way. So this is my quick and easy way to figure that out. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.